heat of the girls 4x400-meter relay with Hoover, Cypress Creek, Richmond Hill, Hillsboro, Montford Academy, Niceville, and Tampa Bay Tech. Montford Academy going out very strong. Montford is in lane 5. Montford Academy and Niceville. Now Niceville making a little bit of a surge into the turn. On the outside is Tampa Bay Tech in the white singlet. On the inside is Richmond Hill. And Richmond Hill has a slight lead over Montford Academy. Richmond Hill now with a 5-meter lead over the chase field of Cypress Creek. Hillsboro in third. And swinging on the outside is Hillsboro. Richmond Hill still holding on. Niceville now making a move. Hillsboro in second. Richmond Hill still holding on to its lead. There comes Montford Academy. And now Hillsboro and Niceville overtaking Richmond Hill. Niceville now with the lead. On the inside is Hillsboro. Keep an eye on Montford Academy. They're creeping up right now on the outside. Montford Academy, known for their 400-meter runners and their prowess in this event. Montford Academy now closing the gap somewhat. Heading into the anchor. It's going to be Niceville. Montford, Richmond Hill, Hillsboro. Riley Maurice of Niceville, the anchor.
Go, Lila! Let's go, Jason! Woo!
Richmond Heights trying to close the gap. Heading into the turn, into the bend. Niceville, Richmond Hill. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This could be a great finish. Coming into the final 120, Richmond Hill now taking over. Richmond Hill with a great anchor. And Richmond Hill is going to claim it. .348.21 for Richmond Hill. Niceville at 3:52.09. Hillsboro 3:52.84. Montford Academy at 3:52.99. Hoover at 3:58.99.